Welcome to our tutorial on learning R and RStudio. First, let's talk about R. R is a powerful programming language and software environment used for statistical computing and graphics. Now, let's introduce RStudio. RStudio is an integrated development environment for R, providing a user-friendly interface for writing and running R code. Keep it simple, R is the language, RStudio is the interface. With RStudio, you can write, debug, and execute R code seamlessly, making your data analysis tasks more efficient and enjoyable. Ready to start? For installation, visit this website. Scroll down and click Download and install R first. After that, click Download RStudio and do the same. Follow the installation instructions for your operating system and you'll be ready to go. Wait for your RStudio to load, start your data journey, and happy coding! In the next video, we'll introduce the interface of RStudio. Hopefully with enough time, we can go through the interface and commonly used features together. Stay tuned!